Hello, in this video, I will show you how to set the sequence options in Clarity. These settings influence how the sequence table and the sequence itself behave, and are specific for the open sequence file. To display the sequence options dialog, go to the sequence window, and select the options icon in the toolbar, or the options item in the sequence menu. At the top of the dialog, the description is a text field you can fill in as you want. The following section is called the sequence mode. Here, you can select if the sequence will be measured in passive or active mode. In passive mode, Clarity only waits for external start from the connected devices. When received, the run is started. It can be used, for example, with manual injection, where the start is triggered by turning a manual valve, or with an uncontrolled autosampler. Active mode is the default option used in the majority of scenarios. The entire process is governed by Clarity. It waits for devices to get ready. After that, it signals the autosampler to inject. Once the injection is performed, the run is started. For more detailed examples of setting sequence mode according to the used instrument, see Chapter 6 of the Getting Started manual. For active mode, it is possible to set the time, during which Clarity will be idle between the end of the previous run, and signal to inject for the following run. This can be useful, for example, if the connected devices have a problem handling too many commands sent at once, or need some time to stabilize. In the following field, you can select which rows of the sequence you want to run. It sets the checkboxes in the Run column according to this field, and you can still adjust them afterward in the sequence table. The section below sets the parameters of the counter variable that can be used in the sequence. Next to it, there is the radio button for solving file name conflicts. By default, it is set to automatically, so when you set more analyzes from one row, the file name will be automatically appended by vial or injection variable. When switched to manually, you handle the conflicts by yourself. The calibration and sequence usage section sets the type of calibration cloning to be used in the sequence. The full explanation to how to use these settings can be found in the calibration playlist. The last section, called After Sequence is Finished, sets the shutdown method for the sequence. For more details, see the video called How to Shut Down the Devices After the Sequence is Finished. Click OK to save the sequence options. According to the set parameters, my sequence is set to active mode, idle time will be 5 minutes, only rows 2 and 4 will be run. I will edit the end vial on row 4, so more measurements will be performed. The file name conflict is automatically solved by appending the vial variable. Also, with this setting, the counter variable will start at 5 and increment with every run in sequence. Because it never resets, the start at setting will never apply. Thank you for your attention. For more videos, check our YouTube channel.